Nearly every major city in the United States has its own food that it either specializes in or is known for. And in the city of Baltimore, it's the crab cakes. They can be found all over the state of Maryland, but today I'm going to show you the best from in and around Baltimore. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Now before we dive too deep into this video, I will ask you to please give this video a huge thumbs up to get this video out to the masses, because look, if you're here, chances are you love crab cakes. So get this video out to the other crab cake lovers out there. So now let's get into it. The first spot up is found right in the heart of downtown Baltimore in the world famous Lexington Market. And this spot is called Faidley's Seafood. Now Faidley's feels less like a restaurant and more like a Baltimore rite of passage. It's been run by the same family for generations, and this place hasn't changed its devotion to quality since day one. And while they offer tons of different fresh seafood options, they're obviously well known for their crab cakes. They've apparently been doing them this way since 1886, and their recipe hasn't missed a beat since that time. The repeat theme you'll notice along this adventure is that all of these crab cakes aren't loaded up with fillers, and Faidley sticks to that theme. These softball-sized crab cakes are packed with massive, sweet lumps of blue crab, and then fried to perfection with that nice signature light golden crust. And these crab cakes have a nice crispy exterior followed by soft, sweet, rich crab meat that literally melts in your mouth. And one quick noteworthy observation about the vibes and ambiance at Faidley's that you might not necessarily experience at the other spots is you'll see construction workers, politicians, tourists, and neighborhood regulars all standing elbow to elbow eating off paper plates. It's equal parts chaotic and comforting, and it sets the stage for what is widely considered one of the purest culinary experiences on the East Coast of the United States. I love this spot, and I can eat these things all day. Next spot up is another iconic Baltimore seafood joint called Moe's. And luckily there's 4 different locations in and around Baltimore because this place is extremely popular. So you've got some options at least. The seafood here is plentiful, but their crab cakes are their most popular item by far. And while Faidley's gives you that crispy fried exterior, Moe's approaches crab cake alchemy with a focus on broiling them. And so do most of the places here in Baltimore. These crab cakes are made with fresh jumbo lump blue crab meat, and once combined with some delicious seasoning, it's then brushed with a liberal amount of butter and then broiled to perfection. The heat caramelizes the top, creating a delicate golden sheen while keeping every single bite insanely juicy inside. And because it's broiled instead of deep fried, you get a completely different profile than what we had at Faidley's earlier. The butter seeps down into every layer, making it super rich and decadent. The crab itself is so sweet and succulent, and that classic Maryland seasoning brings just enough warmth and garlic savory notes to elevate the whole thing without making the crab cakes fall apart or unpleasant. And I also love squeezing a little bit of fresh lemon juice on top to really put these crab cakes over the top. These things are rich, decadent, and the size of these things are just ridiculous. This is another place that I really love. Now, the next spot up is not just a Baltimore cultural icon, it's well known by food lovers around the world, and it's called Jimmy's. I mean, look at all the big name celebrities that have been here in the past. This place is gigantic with an enormous seafood based menu, but as you can imagine, their crab cakes are the top selling item here. They literally ship them all over the world. They source top tier, ultra sweet jumbo blue lump crab meat, and the secret behind their signature flavor is a rich, creamy imperial sauce blend mixed with Old Bay and local spices that coat the crab without crushing the delicate lumps of meat. It's gently packed into a generous 8-ounce mound, brushed with butter, and then broiled at a high heat to achieve that picture-perfect golden crust while keeping the inside silky and hot. And the exterior has just enough of that broiled caramelization to give it texture, but on the inside, it's remarkably juicy. The seasoning blend has that classic Maryland zip, and it's savory, slightly sweet. It's savory, slightly sweet, with a distinct warmth that complements the crab rather than hiding it. And you get that decadent melt in your mouth feel from the imperial binder, but every single bite is dominated by pure sweet blue crab meat, and it lives up to every bit of the hype. Pappa's is another local institution here in the Baltimore area that is beloved by everyone. This restaurant and sports bar has been around for well over 50 years, making delicious quality cuisine ranging from hand-cut steaks, a ton of pasta dishes, delicious seafood, and of course, their award-winning famous crab cake. And the crab cakes you're looking at today are the exact crab cakes you would have gotten well over 50 years ago. They shape them gently by hand so the giant lump chunks stay completely intact. And then they're broiled to a rich golden hue. And the heat seals the outer edges into a tender crust while locking in every bit of moisture inside, creating a texture that is remarkably soft and succulent. And I'm gonna save my ranking for the end of this video, but spoiler alert, Pappa's is easily in my top 3. The texture on Pappa's crab cakes is in a league of its own. It's light, creamy, and practically melts in your mouth each and every time. The seasoning blend is savory and warm with that classic Maryland Old Bay flair, but it never competes with the natural sweetness of the crab itself. The butter broil gives it a nice, rich, delicate finish, making every single bite feel completely decadent, almost like a dessert. And you can 100% see why people fall in love with these things. They're pure perfection and one of Maryland's finest crab cakes. G&M is yet again another favorite amongst Marylanders. And while they have a full dining room, their carry-out operation is a well-oiled machine that literally moves hundreds of crab cakes a day. And situated just a few minutes from BWI Airport, G&M is legendary for being the last stop travelers make before flying out, or the first stop locals hit when returning home. People order these raw, cooked, in bulk, or packaged for travel. And they load these up with massive sweet jumbo blue crab meat, lightly tossing it in a savory, creamy imperial binder spiked with local spices. They don't crush the meat, they let those huge, unbroken lumps of crab meat form the almost softball-like structure. And then they're broiled to perfection. And even as a carry-out order, these things are insanely rich and juicy. The top layer gives you that nice caramelized, buttery broil finish, but the interior is so soft, decadent, and bursting with immense sweet crab flavor. The seasoning has a great warm, savory kick that ties the whole binder together. And the fact that you can pick this up at a carry-out counter, take it to your car, and get a restaurant quality experience or better is wild. I mean, G&M does not mess around, and that's why people love it here. Now look, we have saved the absolute best for last. I know Baltimore residents and Marylanders are foaming at the mouth at this point. If you ask true Baltimore locals, food critics, and serious crab cake connoisseurs around Maryland where the real crown lies when it comes to crab cakes, one name comes up again and again. Koco's isn't a massive tourist hall or a high-volume factory. It's an authentic family-run neighborhood pub that feels like stepping into a friend's living room. Koco's has built a serious, near cult following, and people drive for hours and order what has consistently been voted Baltimore's best crab cake year after year. I mean, look at this thing. Weighing in at a massive 11 ounces, Koco serves one of the largest crab cakes in all of Maryland. These things are flawless. The crab is so sweet, fresh, and tender that it practically melts in your mouth bite after bite. The broiled butter finish gives it a rich, luxurious mouthfeel, while that subtle Maryland seasoning brings just enough of a savory kick to elevate every single bite. These things are juicy, massive, rich, and packed with so much crab meat, it's almost mind-blowing. And in a city of incredible crab cake options, Koco's really proves why so many people put them at the top of the throne here. They are absolute perfection. All right, now let's do a quick recap of my top 3 crab cakes. Coming in at number 3 is Moe's Seafood. If you want an amazing crab cake, Moe's delivers big in every way. That butter brush jumbo lump mountain is pure comfort food in a nutshell. And the portion size alone makes it an absolute Baltimore heavyweight. I love these things. Taking the number 2 spot is Pappa's. The texture here is in a league of its own. It's light, silky, perfectly broiled, and so tender that it literally melts in your mouth. These things are absolute elegance on a plate, and if I were a Ravens or an Orioles fan, I'd be eating these things every chance I got while watching my sports team play. And taking the crown as the number 1 crab cake in Baltimore is Koco's Pub, obviously. I mean, 11 ounces of pure, unadulterated, colossal jumbo lump meat with virtually zero filler present. The flavor, the neighborhood pub vibe, and the quality of that blue crab make Koco's the undisputed king of Charm City. And that's it. No long outro this time. Baltimore is a cool city, but I'd love to return and try some more great food throughout the state of Maryland. So with that being said, thank you all for the continued love and support. Golden, Daddy loves you. Thank you. Mahalo for watching.